back to my balcony garden, where I share another amazing episode about my plants. Hello, it is I, back again with a gardening update. And today I'm just sharing with you the work I did on this old shelf unit, whatever I want to call it. I spray painted it red. This is me trying to clean up the balcony. I did this one little corner. I got a couple of plants sitting down here. I'm not done yet. I just got this stuff sitting over here, but I still got to arrange it the way I want it. For now, it's just sitting there, and I'm sharing my little gardening family out here. Pastor George Floyd's Justice in Policing Act, sharing a message with y'all. Little garden family sharing a message. And up here, I just have my little garden frogs sitting on the jade plant that look like they went into shock over the spring. It's slowly trying to revive itself. I need to propagate, but I need to stop propagating because I'm running out of room. But anyway, this is just sharing my little message from my garden people, my garden family. Guess y'all can read that. Oh, look. Second garden family message. Bystanders not guilty. Black Lives Matter. Pastor John Lewis Voting Rights Advancement Act. Yeah. Take care of business. Send that message, garden family. Send the message. Yep, just a garden update, y'all. Welcome back, all the subscribers. Welcome to the visitors. You want to support this channel, give me a big thumbs up. Click that hand with that thumb. It's greatly appreciated. Whatever I didn't say in this video, remember there's another video, always another video. Bye for now. Represent, garden family, represent. Thanks for returning to watch another episode about my balcony garden. I hope that you enjoyed and were inspired to garden.